Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Let's prep for tomorrow. Let's take a look at the markets. Let's take a look at the markets. Shall we do a split? Something like that. Huh? Let's try it like this. This looks more of an accident. And if it was, then sign of strength will be this. That's bearish, and it went here and bounces right now. Weird stuff. I don't like this view. I don't like. I tried. I tried. Oh. This volume is dangerous. What a roller coaster. It bounced from here, did all this rally. What a roller coaster. For something short. Is this kind of volume? I'd be careful. That was the Friday, wasn't it? That's good. Q's style. We are nearing end of the month though. This all might have been. So the bigger picture can be like this. So this might have been an accident. This whole shebang. This is 0.5. And this is a sign of strength. But the volume, look at the volume. It's too big of the volume. Google my new trade. I think it's good. I'll see tomorrow. Magnet is, no, not the magnet. Game Cayenne is also my new trade, but didn't go my direction. We'll see how it acts tomorrow, but yeah, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. Plug. Just look at this guy. Grinds like there's no tomorrow. Ay ay ay. What a volume. It's already in 0.5. What a volume. Gecko Bear waiting to break even. Already broke even for the most of the position, but unwilling top thrust. Look at this volume. I think it should pop. I think it should pop. This is not bad. It's high. Wait. There's something weird. Yeah, that's the sign of strength. Right? Right. So high. Volume distribution is still good. Daily not bad. Change direction. Huh. That's interesting. That's interesting. This volume distribution is good. Long. And then this is strength. I see strength. I see weakness. Beta. No. This is not good. Same deal. Did I miss? Friday was. Right. This market moves on. Russian markets were open on Friday. It's a good upthrust. It's a good upthrust. It looks like it's gonna break for all I care. 808. Ah, that's transition extreme, right? Yeah, it looks good for short actually. It looks good for short. I don't know. Bloom. There was a spring. It needed a test. I mean, it's no good on daily, so. This is not good for hourly. Maybe there is something on minutes. This is a massacre. This is a massacre. This is a massacre. Yeah. Boom. Close the buff. Technically that was a break. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter now. So low. And it never broke the level. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'd rather see it go here. Wait, why am I looking at it? Oh. Yeah, 20.5 and bounced. Boom. So now... Watch. This guy. I don't know what am I even looking at. That was a spring, but then... Gave a bigger volume, but didn't go. Gave a bigger volume, like here, but didn't go. Now again, this roller coaster. What do you want from Vodafone? I don't know. Yeah. Technically it's this, but it's nowhere close to 0.5 correction, so we'll keep it in the list just so that we have it, but yeah. But yeah. What am I looking for? Anyone knows? What am I looking for? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Massacre. Now we needed to decide where it wants to go. Oxy will be interesting from here. Boom. United Health has room to go. There's a lot of room to go. What I'm looking for here. Just try to disconnect it after this volume and see it like that, but it's like too far. And it already made its move from 0.5, so from a 50%. So this is a good guy in our company. I actually have a friend from Surgut. Tough people. Tough people. All I can say. It's a break, technically. But look how weak this break is. So technically it's a sign of strength. Yeah, no, it's like nothing good here. Nothing good. I'll still charge it just for the sake of it, but oh, and actually that's a test level. This is some like markets are just broken. They're like dysfunctional right now, so it's all a massacre. It's all a massacre. Hmm. 82, 224. That's sign of strength technically, but so high, so high in the sky. Gazprom. The Russian gas monopolist who sells out Russian resources abroad and is negative, so effectively pays money for the world to buy Russian gas. How twisted is that? About as twisted as it can get. Yeah. Why don't Russia use its own gas if it can sell it for profit abroad? Anyone can explain me? Anyone can explain me? And mark my word, if Russia was to stop selling its resources abroad and using it for its own economy, ooh, it would go through the roof like an indicator. So that's my firm belief, but things are the way they are. And most likely they'll continue to be the way they are. I'm sorry if I sound a bit philosophical, but that's what I do, and there's no good. There's nothing. Oh no, I don't want to. No. I'm not gonna go through all these stocks. Let's see if I can do it. What I'm looking for, anyways, like here. What are you waiting for? Na, 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 na. No, that's not a. Yeah. Oh, wait. Ah. Where are we? That's why. Okay. Okay. And it's a break. 927. Yeah. And it's a break. You know, and it's not bad for a break. Just once again, there's no 0.5, which actually, by the way, can be okay. Since there was a major shock for the market. There's two signs of strengths that I can see on this guy. One is here and the other here. Oops. Oops. I did it again. And the bottom of it doesn't make sense. Just a test. So this is good in continuation of the trend. This makes no sense, of course, but you know. Super technically, it's good in continuation of the trend. Look at this guy. I'm not sure what to make of it. This is also good in continuation of the trend. Sinus strength 1, sinus strength 2. Just a little. No, because spread is not widens. Does not. Same dealio. does look like a sign of strength. Never mind the last hour of the previous day volume. So, however, look at this guy. Yeah. I don't think it's a good. Was this volume? Yeah, I think this disqualifies. EPS. Nike. Let's just do it quickly. Let's work it. Boom. It's a break. Look at this guy. Look at, oh my god. $1,000 from 27 bucks to 1,000. Oh, guys, be careful with this guy. It's my word. What happened here? Might be bullshit. But be careful here. This is just stinks. This stinks. No earnings, no dividends, just out of the blue. You guys be careful with Eli Lilly. Mark my word. It's good for short, now it's good for long. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Unbelievable. It's in the balance right now. Good for long. And there is no level here, really. One bar roll. Hold on. I must have an LMK. I should have it from my trading coach. Huh. He did keep here the level. For whatever reason. Okay. So now we are here. We got our exhaustion. Oof. Gotta be careful with this guy. Huh. That would have worked totally. Didn't give us a test. Scary with no test. But yeah. That would have worked with no test, but I wouldn't trade it without test. This is on test right now. But no, it is not. Went down. Interesting. Interesting. Check out this volume. Check out this volume. But then it went higher technically. So what's weird about this volume is that the bar went higher. But it only went hard to manipulate it with a bigger volume. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, let's see the biggest losers real quick. Wow, yeah. Something very, very scary happened here. Yeah, this. It's very disturbing. It's very disturbing. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it. Counter trend in 0.5. No existent volume as of now yet. Transition extremum. This little thingy that's going on here right now. Volume is good. It's counter trend though. Counter trend is not your friend. Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah. Maybe I'm chickening out of magnet for no reason. I don't know, you guys, but this looks. Where was it? 24. 3/5. What was that? 21. It was even before the war. This whole shebang. Boom, 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 boom. Up thrust. Oof. Someone dumped a lot of this stock up there. Other than that, it looks like spring with a test, and all this looks sexy right now. Once again, they're like huge volume, and then didn't go. Yeah. Progressive. Change direction again. Yeah. Look how it respected the sign of strength. Too far though, like way too far. Normally short needs to correct less than 50%. So you would expect it to correct something like this, like you. But this guy, you see, I'll show you. So I don't think I would touch it anyways. But look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Didn't give us a test. Interesting. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go. Trade responsibly on your own. Learn and grow in communities of like-minded people. I wouldn't trust much to this monthly level anymore, because it's like it's been tried second time already. And this doesn't look like an exhaustion, so yeah, no, not excited. Not excited. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Happy holidays to everyone who celebrates. I'll see you tomorrow during the day.